Job roles and responsibilities in a well-designed organization. A well-structured organization ensures that every employee understands their role, responsibilities, and how their work contributes to the company's success. Clearly defined roles help improve efficiency, accountability, and collaboration. In this lesson, we'll explore how job roles and responsibilities are structured within an organization, common role types, and best practices for designing an effective workforce. Why clear job roles matter. Defining roles and responsibilities is crucial for efficiency, reduces redundancy, and ensures tasks are completed effectively. Accountability, clarifies ownership of tasks and decision-making authority. Collaboration, helps teams work together smoothly by avoiding confusion. Employee engagement, employees perform better when they understand their purpose and contribution. A poorly designed organization leads to role confusion, duplication of efforts, and frustration among employees. Common job role categories in an organization. Most organizations structure their workforce into key categories based on responsibilities and functions. 1. Executive leadership. EO, Chief Executive Officer, sets the company vision and overall strategic direction. COO, Chief Operating Officer, oversees day-to-day operations and execution of strategy. STAR CFO, Chief manages financial planning, risk, and reporting. CTO/CIO, Chief Technology Information, leads technology and digital initiatives. 2. Department heads and senior managers manage specific business areas, marketing, sales, HR, finance, IT, etc. Ensure alignment between departmental goals and company strategy. Provide leadership and direction to their teams. 3. Middle management and team leaders oversee specific teams within departments. Bridge communication between employees and senior leadership. Ensure project execution and performance management. Specialists and technical experts handle specialized tasks that require technical expertise, e.g., engineers, data analysts, financial planners. Provide expert knowledge and innovation within their fields. 5. Support administrative roles. HR, IT support, customer service, and office administration staff. Ensure smooth daily operations and employee support services. Best practices for defining roles and responsibilities. 1. Use a clear organizational chart. Visually map out reporting structures and key roles. Helps employees understand their place in the organization. 2. Develop clear job descriptions. Define key responsibilities, required skills, and performance expectations. Helps with recruitment, onboarding, and performance evaluations. 3. Ensure role flexibility. Encourage adaptability in roles to accommodate business growth and change. Promote cross-functional collaboration to enhance agility. 4. Clarify decision-making authority. Establish who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, RAE framework. Prevents delays in execution and unnecessary conflicts. 5. Encourage career growth and role evolution. Provide training and mentorship to help employees advance within the organization. Create pathways for promotions and role expansion based on performance. Case studies, effective role design in action. 1. Google cross-functional collaboration. Uses a mix of structured roles and flexible project-based teams. Encourages employees to work across different teams and innovate beyond their defined roles. 2. Zappos self-managed teams. Uses a holacracy model where employees take on multiple roles instead of traditional job titles. Promotes flexibility, autonomy, and employee engagement. 3. Tesla flat hierarchy for fast decision-making. Eliminates unnecessary middle management layers. Encourages direct communication between leadership and employees to accelerate innovation. Final thoughts. A well-designed organization ensures that job roles are structured to support company objectives, encourage collaboration, and drive efficiency. By clearly defining responsibilities while maintaining flexibility, businesses can create an agile and high-performing workforce. In the next lesson, we'll explore how companies can assess and optimize their current organizational structure to maximize efficiency and employee satisfaction.